I work with the Imagine Institute. We're a small nonprofit in Washington supporting early child care providers. So the limitations and problems that made us reach out to Divergent was that as a nonprofit, we have a lot of contracts with a lot of complex needs. We run a variety of different programs that each have their own data collection and reporting needs. We actually had an old Salesforce instance that it was kind of built as we went along, and eventually got to the point where it was a little too disorganized and was constantly breaking. As our organization grew, we decided that we needed help and we needed a partner that could help us build out a long-term solution. We heard about Divergent. It was a referral from Salesforce through the App Exchange. Divergent helped us by really coming up with some creative solutions. As I mentioned, we run a variety of different programs, and they are all kind of designed to do different things. Divergent was able to help us create a whole request system through Salesforce where people can make requests for substitute time on our website, as well as we also offer training. So to be able to send out notifications for our upcoming classes and track our attendance. We do a mentorship program. They allowed us to create a relationship system where we can track all of our mentors and interns, as well as a case system so we could track all of our incoming calls and our outreach attempts. This is all within one Salesforce instance. In addition to that, they also helped us with a lot of administrative tasks. As a nonprofit, we have a lot of reporting needs to our stakeholders, so to the state and other government entities, so helping us organize our data for that audience as well. Divergent allowed us to focus back on our company's needs by really helping us utilize our technology in creative ways. Prior to working with Divergent, we had to use a lot of spreadsheets and do a lot of lookups, and we spent a lot of time just analyzing data instead of synthesizing it and reporting on it. So Divergent really helped us get organized and helped us report on our data, and that we can spend time focusing more on our, the tasks at hand rather than collecting data. Divergent was able to help us set up our Salesforce in such a way that some of the smaller tasks, it's actually straightforward enough that I can go in as an administrator with some limited knowledge and add things and tweak things as needed, as well as continuing to utilize Divergent to help us with bigger projects, and all of those have been able to integrate in to the existing systems seamlessly.